Hello friends, my name is Vikas.
So friends, in this video we will be talking about some important data related to renewable energy capacity of India. So friends, we have an app by the name Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded and logged in through your Gmail ID, you will be transferred to this page. And you can see here various all courses and various other sections provided to us. The courses that are provided by our team are very helpful and they will be very useful in your preparation. In the courses that we provide, we give you daily current affairs, weekly current affairs and monthly current affairs. In daily current affairs, we will be providing you with multiple quiz of 20 questions daily. Then we'll be giving you the daily current affairs content also. Similarly for weekly, we will providing you 50 questions of quiz on weekly basis, as well as all the important current affairs of that week will be given to you in an ebook. Similarly for monthly basis. Apart from this, we'll be providing you with banking awareness and all the banking relating exams. So don't worry, your preparation is in our hands. We'll be providing you with the best content. Apart from this, then you should know we covered topic wise. Important daily topic wise or the monthly topic wise are covered in our course. We'll give you 20 types of such PDFs that will cover apps and web portals, important days, books and authors, national affairs, international affairs, sports, awards, applications and web portals, and defense sector. All the topics that you see of general studies are basically covered here. As you saw, we provide current affairs in English, Hindi, banking awareness, exam PDF, special current affairs, topic wise current affairs are provided to you, state current affairs, then topic wise quizzes are provided to you. There is another section in special current affairs, that is learn from picture, and we have named this infographics. Infographics are your interactive PDFs that you can interact with. They are highly informative. I highly suggest you to go and check these out because they will be helping you to learn things in an interactive way. So do check them out. They will be very valuable to you. All you have to do is to purchase our course. You can use code Vikas10 that will be giving you an additional 10% discount on the purchase you make. So it is a bumper offer. All you have to do is go and download our app and check our courses. So friends, we'll start with the session. So friends, in this video we will be talking about some important data related to renewable energy capacity of India. So let's start. As we used to know that Karnataka was the state that was the leader in the renewable energy capacity. But now Tamilnadu has piped Karnataka as the leader in overall renewable energy capacity. Let's look at it. According to the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Tamil Nadu has achieved the first position. So who is ruling the renewable energy now? It is your Tamil Nadu in overall installed renewable energy capacity, surpassing Karnataka. So the most number of renewable energy produced is in which state now? Tamil Nadu. As of 31st January 2022, Tamil Nadu's total installed renewable capacity stood at 15,914 megawatts as compared to Karnataka's total clean energy capacity of 15,795 megawatts. So the first state in terms of renewable energy is your Tamil Nadu. Similarly, if I ask you the state that topped the most number of, or the state that topped in the sales of most number of electric vehicles will be your Uttar Pradesh. Apart from this, if I ask where is the maximum or the largest charging station for electric vehicles, where it will be set up? It is being set up in Gurugram, Haryana. And similarly, there was a term that International Solar Alliance that was formed in 2015, that is a joint venture of India and France. And where is the headquarter of this ISA? It is also in Gurugram, Haryana. Moving on, in 2018, Karnataka achieved the top position to become the leader in the total installed capacity in clean energy sector, that was supported by huge capacity addition in the solar segment and good progress in the wind power capacity. In 2019, Karnataka's total renewable capacity was 13,402 megawatt, while Tamil Nadu's total capacity was just 12,125 megawatt. But now, as per the latest data, Tamil Nadu's total capacity stood at 15,914 megawatt, while the Karnataka's total clean energy capacity stood at 15,795 megawatts. Then if we talk about this Tamil Nadu's energy capacity, Tamil Nadu being the early proponents of clean energy, it has the opportunity to increase the clean energy capacity in different segments of solar energy generation like rooftop, large scale solar parks and wind solar hybrid projects. As of 31st January 2022, Tamil Nadu's total solar capacity increased to 4,894 megawatts, includes the ground mounted, rooftop, and off grid capacity from 2,575 megawatts as of 1st March 2019, while the wind capacity increased to 857 megawatts from this previous one during the same period. If we are talking about other states, Rajasthan, Gujarat added the highest renewable energy capacity, that is 4.8 gigawatt and 2.4 gigawatt respectively in the current fiscal year till the 31st January 2022. Similarly, if we talk about Gujarat, as of 31st January, Gujarat's total renewable energy capacity is at 15,518 megawatts, and Gujarat attains the first position in the total rooftop solar installation. If we are talking about total rooftops solar installations, then the state that is achieving the first position, or you can say is at the top, is your Gujarat. In India, out of a total of 6,405 megawatts of root capacity, Gujarat is accounted for around 1,679 megawatt. Gujarat has identified 1 lakh hectares of wasteland in the Kutch district, and Gujarat is to build the world's largest renewable energy park that may generate an 30,000 megawatt and accommodate 24,800 megawatt capacity of wind and solar power plants. Mark this also important. Then if we talk about Rajasthan, as of 31st January, Rajasthan's overall renewable energy capacity is at around 15,000 megawatt, and also the first state in India to cross 10,000 megawatts of total solar capacity and stood at 10,507 megawatts, followed by Karnataka and Gujarat and Tamil Nadu respectively. Other renewable resources rich states such as Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, MP added a combined of 2.2 gigawatts of capacity during the same period. So coming back, the state that topped in the renewable capacity for this year is Tamil Nadu. Earlier it was Karnataka, but Tamil Nadu has surpassed Karnataka in the total number of energy generated. Similarly, if we talk about some important related news, the Union Minister of New and Renewable Energy and the Ministry of Power, R.K. Singh, has launched India's first Green Day Ahead market. Mark this. Green Day Ahead market. This is also known as GDAM. That is for renewable energy to enable electricity generation and distribution companies to trade, buy or sell in renewable energy in the day ahead market. So basically what is this? This is a market app such as your trading. If you do stocks market, you buy and sell. You in any marketplace you go, what you do is you are buying some goods or some seller is selling their goods. Similarly, someone will be buying this renewable energy, and that renewable energy who is buying will be sold to other customers. So for that, this marketplace, that is Green Day Ahead market, is being developed. Now the question can be asked, who launched this? It was launched by RK Singh. If we talk about Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Union Minister is Rajkumar Singh. And if we talk about Minister of State, Bhagwant Khuba, and constituency will be Bidar, Karnataka. Alright, so friends, this was our session. Do like our video, and if you want us to continue such session, I want you to comment below and tell us what are your valuable suggestions. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.